Hey, it's me f.o.o. In this show, I'm going to do a cleaning up my fridge. I'm going to take this all out, supposedly, clean it, and then put it back. And that should bring the temperature down, bring it back up, because anything like bacteria and stuff, for the place being poison gas and stuff like that, you do. So that's right. I've looked up a long time ago, but it's ain't one number. So first, I'm going to do like a stop start. Yeah, like my things cut this down. Ready? Say normal. Yeah. 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 Whole tree. Yeah. Yeah. Play with like some whatever vegetables. So I played enough nonsense about stuff like that coming out. I'm gonna take it out, I'm gonna give it then I'll be back. Okay, remember that timeline when it comes to cleaning the fridge and things like milk out and like radiation. Yeah, but this is I'm gonna put some cling film over this and that, demonstrate it. Maybe I'll chop and edit this later on. Got the big anti-cling film over. You apply this. But this is a big pot of rice to cook because it's easier to cook a major amount of rice. You cook a medium. So make sure there's no gaps on either side to avoid the bowl is or whatnot. The plate. It's not filming could be run at any time, but if it does, note that I cleaned it and I put everything back and it's all freezing and all cold. Oh, chilly. Yeah, that's how it seems to work. But last time I done that, obviously clean my fridge. I actually designed fridges that could do that, fridge with the legs and robots. Like gold plate tin cans. He's got to mention that. 3D printers do life support machines, like saying breathing pump tube, and it's like a bottle of bump and spreading and stuff. Even dialysis, keep going and stuff like that. Dr. Frank did supplements, like food boil.